Hi guys! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna share another Filipino recipe, the Biko. This recipe holds a very special place in my heart as it is one of the first dishes I've learned to cook back in high school. Biko is a popular Filipino rice cake dessert. It is made with glutinous rice, sugar, and coconut milk. It's often topped with caramelized sugar or latik. But before we start, please don't forget to hit that like button. Are you ready? Let's get cooking! The ingredients that we will need are 2 cups glutinous rice, 2 cups water, 1 can coconut milk for the caramelized sugar, 1 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/8 teaspoon salt, and 1 can of coconut milk for the topping. To start, add the glutinous rice in a rice cooker, rinse it with water and drain it. Then, add the 2 cups of water and turn the rice cooker on and let it cook. While waiting for the rice to cook, make the topping. In a pan over medium heat, add the 1 can of coconut milk. Give it a stir until all the lumps are gone. Then, cook it until all the liquid evaporates and it becomes golden brown. Once it's golden brown, remove it from the heat and drain the oil and set this aside to cool down. Next, in a pan over medium heat, add the brown sugar. Once it starts melting, stir it until it completely melted. And once it's completely melted, add in the coconut milk. Don't worry if lumps formed, just continue stirring until the sugar has melted again. Cook it until it becomes thick. Once it's thick, like this, add in the cooked glutinous rice. Mix them together until all the liquid evaporates and it is well combined. Then, transfer it onto a bilao lined with banana leaves, or you can just simply put it in any pan or baking dish you have. Flatten the biko evenly and let it cool down before slicing. Now, top each slice with the latik or the toasted coconut curd. And here's our finished product! Biko is sweet, chewy, and delicious. Perfect pair for hot coffee or hot chocolate. I hope you'll give this easy recipe a try. Thank you for watching today's vlog. Please don't forget to share this as it helps the channel a lot. See you next time. Bye!